It's cute, colorful, and secretly dying. Let's save this moon cactus. Yep, this cutie can't photosynthesize and needs your help. First discovered in Japan in the 1940s, they couldn't make food, but no one gave up on them. So growers said, let's help it survive. Let's recreate what they did and see if this graft will take. Let's sterilize the blade first. This helps prevent rot and fungal infections from sneaking into the fresh cuts. Chamfering the top of the rootstock helps prevent the edges from pushing the scion off as it heals. And here's the key part. Make sure the vascular rings of the scion and rootstock are aligned. That's how nutrients and water flow between them. The top part here is called the scion. That's the piece we're grafting. The bottom part is the rootstock, which provides the strength and nutrients the scion needs to survive. Think of it like giving the scion a new life support system. Just a gentle press, like telling your plant, you've got this. I use Scotch tape instead of rubber bands. Clean, simple, and gentle. Today, there are new moon cactus varieties that can actually survive on their own because part of them has green tissue for photosynthesis. They don't need grafting like the traditional ones. The catch? They're really tricky to root and establish on their own. After about a week, you can safely remove the tape. By the 1-month mark, the graft should be fully stable and growing on its own. You can even try grafting other cacti like Astrophytum or Sulcarabutia. You just saved a cactus. Ever wonder why we graft cacti in the first place? Let's break it down. Some cacti, like the moon cactus, can't survive on their own because they lack chlorophyll, the green pigment plants need to make food. Without it, they'd slowly starve. So we graft them onto a green rootstock. This acts like a life support system, sending water and nutrients up to keep the colorful top alive. But grafting isn't just for albinos. It can make weak cacti grow faster, bloom sooner, and even create amazing hybrids. Pretty cool, right? So that's why we graft. Looking for the best tools and cactus care essentials? Check out my Amazon store, link in the description. You'll find everything you need to make your cactus thrive. Now it's your turn. Try grafting your own cactus and see how it goes. Drop a comment and tell me how your graft turns out. I'd love to hear your progress. See you in the next one.